नमस्कार तुमकां पुराय जनाक स्वागत करता सर यूथ ऑफ GSBचे एपिसोडांत हांव अंजना मिगेल उटवासाची अश्विनी शेणै वेरी वॉर्म वेलकम. हांनी यंग ऑथर म्हणटा मस्त जनाक इन्स्पायर करूक आज आमी बैसून हिगेला इंटरव्यू करया. सो अश्विनी मंगळूरांतूची मात्र आतां बँगलोरा काम करता सर. सो तुगेले जर्नी एज एन ऑथर कशी तू स्टार्ट केलें? हाउ डिड यू बिगिन एज एन ऑथर?
So firstly, namaskar to all the Youth of GSB viewers and the Youth of GSB team. Thank you for this opportunity. Mastu khushi datta saji to be a part of this. My journey, it began very early. Growing up, I was surrounded by books. My mother, she is an avid reader, and my father, he has a collection of books enough to make a library at home. So they are avid readers and they are storytellers also. So bedtime stories, that was a very important ritual. So thai dokonu I started developing that affinity towards stories and storytelling. And when they ran out of stories sometimes, you know how kids can be, and they created stories on the spot based on what some coconut tree outside, a cat going out. And then I realized, okay, you don't really have to stick to the books, you can create your own stories. So thai dokon ek journey start dala. I started writing short stories. This was around 7, 8, 9. So of course the storytelling was there, but vocabulary wasn't there. So घरांत तो कोंकणी उलोवचे, फ्रेंड्स जालो कन्नडा, हांव बॉम्बे आशिल्लें तेन्ना एक few years. So थंय हिंदी उलयता आशिल्लें ती. So English was still, you know, mentally convert करता जाता आशिल्ला from the mother tongue to English. So the vocabulary was not there, but storytelling was there. मागीर एक 7th, 8th म्हणटा स्कुलान तूं कॉन्टेस्टान पार्टिसिपेट, शॉर्ट स्टोरी कॉन्टेस्ट. So thai miguel ek English teacher ashili who sat me down and she said, okay, story in potential assa, but you have to make reading a habit because your vocabulary is not strong enough, that's not coming through. So that was a turning point maneta where I realized writing is not just about writing, you have to read a lot. So magiri it continued. I didn't send out anything for publishing because I was not confident. Then around post-graduation dattana, I finished my BE in Vamanjur here, St. Joseph, and then I qualified in GATE. So thai dokona I went to PS Bangalore. So after I got a job, I was interning in Intel Corporation that time. So I got a free time between a couple of months before I had to join the job. So tadna this idea of Shikandini came to me. That's where it took a concrete form.
तिगेले शिखंडिनी एक बुक प्रिंसेस वॉरियर ऑफ महाभारत नाव ऐकून आसतलें बट तिगेल सम स्टोरी आमकां गोतना आसतलें. सो शी हैज रिटन, इट इज द ओनली बुक
so far
on that character, yes. So it's bestseller too. So हाजी विशय तुमकां कसं सांगोस?
So Mahabharata is happened thousands of years back, and I think somewhere around 800 years puda, I think the oldest evidence we have right now in written form, it is somewhere there. So there has been so many retellings and so many different perspectives regarding its characters. Kavita Kane, Devdutt Patnaik, Anand Nilkandan, there are so many this, but there is no book about this character. And why this character is important is because had she not entered Kurukshetra for the war, probably Kauravas would have won. So she is the one, she is the one who ended Maharati Bhishma, who is known as invincible. So that is why it's an important character. So Makka, I was really surprised ki why in 800 years there's no book on her. Of course there's a taboo, she's a transgender, so queer community Attik, it's coming out. So I think this was the appropriate time, and that is what the publisher also saw, that they can put their faith in it because it will link with readers now, which was not a case probably 100 years back.
The publishers म्हणताना how difficult it was to get a publisher for this?
So as a debut author, it's very difficult in India. The top publishers, HarperCollins, Penguin, they rarely pick your script if it is not accompanied by an agent's review, and agents are also less, so it's a challenge. But I was too young. For me at that point in time, success definition kasa ashil malare, I have to finish the book because a lot of people start and they never finish it. So once I had finished it, I started reading. Thanks to the internet, things are easy. You don't have to go to the publisher personally. So I started submitting. I didn't see big, small publishers. Pura jana pettoche start kela. And about a month later, the series of rejections started. Get an agent. We don't take unsolicited manuscripts. And then even the smaller publishers started giving you. There are some things called as. This is a traditionally published book, which means I don't spend anything. They trust my manuscript and they do everything from cover design till marketing, getting the books in all the stores all over India. This is Lead Start Publishers, both my books. This is a different publisher. So they put so much faith and they were so confident they straight away published 2000 copies, which is a big deal. They spent lakhs of rupees on it, and that kind of gave me the confidence that okay, there is some thing in my writing that they are trusting. So that was my journey. After some 13 rejections, yeah, finally a deal mila. And believe it or not, Chandralekha Maitra, she is a well-known name in the publishing industry. She is retired now. तीने माके एक दिवस email गल्ला, and I was so surprised that she had accepted and she was offering me the deal without even reading the whole manuscript. She had read 3 chapters and the synopsis. She just asked me one question in the email. What is it? What is the unique selling point of this book? We have so many revisions and editions of Mahabharata. What are you giving is new? Tugalanta, why should I put my faith in it? And then I said, okay, this is what I'm trying to do. This is not the mythical or mythological Mahabharata. This is an alternative history. So there is no magic in this book. And what I wanted to show is that all these characters, the Pandavas, Kauravas, Lord Krishna, Shikandani, everyone, they are great not because they had superpowers, but of course Lord Krishna was a superpower, but these other characters, like how they show it in the television, they are great because of their karma, the deeds they did, their contribution towards humanity. So there's a rational approach to the book, and the core is Shikandani's transformation.
So true. So how would you take तुम्हाला 13 rejections असेल? So what kept you going?
I had nothing to lose. Okay. Now that 3 books are published, now rejections matter a little more. So what am I doing wrong? Why did this get rejected? That thought it. But as a debut, that is.
But you kept trying now.
I kept trying. Yes. Yeah, I sent out mails. I kept researching, and there was also this. You have to research enough to not fall into a trap. There are not many genuine publishers. There are there are hybrid publishers and self-publishers who disguise as traditional publishers, and debut authors are very keen. They want to see it in print. I will pay, you publish it in your name. Tashi mantale asati, and I didn't want that. I wanted a traditional approach. I didn't want to put my money, and I wanted it to reach maximum bookstores. When you self-publish, that doesn't happen. So yeah, with rejections, initially it was hard, but when this happened, now rejections, it's okay. I'm used to it. It's part of the job, you know.
So तुम्ही आता कसं transgender queer community पुरे म्हणलं. So any critic you received?
Definitely.
Writing, yes.
So Shikandani's story is not known. So when there is no retelling, you can tell, I mean, you can't prove it right or wrong. So then it comes down to your prejudices.
Well.
So how narrow the reader is, how accepting he is, so he or she is, that's where critics set, and I have to accept it.
So खंयचे तुका critic most उडगास आशिल्ले कसले you would like to tell our viewers what you faced?
I had one reader, of course, it was in Amazon, no one writes to me directly. And that person, it was not a verified purchase, so it was clear that he had not read the book probably. Okay. And the comment was that he did not want to believe that without Shikandani, the Pandavas would have lost the war. So he wanted Arjun to be the person who killed Maharati Bhishma. So it says a lot about the reader. Okay. And yeah, that will happen. Any book, anything you write, unless you write something so bland and so people-pleasing, you will have critics.
Yes.
So that's there.
That's a part of. So तुमगेल अनेक book आहे. So yeah, book तुला you started writing another book.
Yes.
कितली years gap नंतर start केलं?
This was 6 months because Boron Dattari, it took almost 2 years to come out. So the publisher spent 3.5 months to design the cover. It's a hand-drawn cover.
Oh, yeah.
It was before AI or before Photoshop was there, but these people, they wanted everything to be authentic. Yes. So it took 3 months for that, another 6 months for editing, then preparing the marketing plan. Everything they did it. I just had to wait. So So during that waiting period, I had started Gift of Life. One unfortunate thing was 4 months after this book came into the market, the pandemic hit. So we didn't know where the books are, whether it's stuck in the bookshops because bookshops were closing.
correct.
Is it in the warehouse? Are they coming back? We didn't have
ಕೇಕ್
the clue.
ಹೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹರ್ಡಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
It was a hurdle, especially because I'm new. People are just finding out my name. But of course, people who had purchased it started sending emails, so that was encouraging. There were people from US, Dubai, Germany. They were writing mails to me, so it was very good, and that encouraged me to write the second book. And the second book is, it didn't take that much of research because we were experiencing it. It's a pandemic book. It comes into that small pandemic genre, and it's a more of Kashmancha. It's a vibe more than a plot. So it is based in a town called Peredur, and there's this character Shamala. So
पेरडूर म्हणताना आम्ही उलयतना पुरो अशी उलयताची पेरडूर एंड इट्स समथिंग लोकल कनेक्ट
yes.
असतं जनाक
Correct.
ओके सो पेरडूर माही ताजे विशयी कसं की म्हणटा असं ती गेल त्या सेकंड बुकान सो
yes. So she is a 70-year-old woman, and it is relatable because we see a lot of people at the, if you go to Gandhi Park or anywhere, you see seniors and super seniors. They are living such a fulfilling life, their retirement life. And then what happens when a pandemic hits and they are confined to their houses? What Tangel whole routine. So older people Tangel sagle life, it is about routine, following things strictly, and now that is disrupted, and she lives alone. She is a little grumpy and sad because of what has happened in the past, and how she transforms. So that book, the 21 days antu, we have divided it into 25 chapters. Every chapter starts with a quote that is a life lesson in itself, and then that dilutes into the chapter. So that although it was not available Mastu bookstores and Vachani because of pandemic, it became the most gifted book on Amazon. It's a very nice gift, it's a pleasant read, and there's a lot of takeaway from each of the chapters.
Very nice. So as a writer, what's the most challenging task you feel, or where anybody who is upcoming writers, what should they keep in mind when writing?
Going very much into technical, first thing is finishing the book. That is the toughest part, especially if you're doing it at the first time. There are times you're very inspired. See, a book takes about 2.5 years. You can't stay inspired for 2.5 years. Then the discipline part comes into picture. So staying disciplined and finishing the book is the toughest part. And after that, accepting rejections and not taking it personally. So a publisher and reject kella malari, not because your book is bad. They are seeing many things. How big a brand are you? How will it sell? Nowadays, some publishers, some smaller ones, not the big ones, they ask you how many followers do you have on social media. And if it's a big number, they'll give you the contract directly. So yeah, taking rejections is one of the toughest parts of writing.
Okay. So at the Chalduva, they are less in reading. That is also something what we are facing.
Correct.
So how do you encourage them to read, or advertise your books, or reach the correct audience, targeted audience who are readers? So I heard you are very active in book clubs.
In Bangalore I was. Bangalore I recently got to know. So my books are not for children, but right now even I think there are more children reading because you have taken away the smartphones from them. Adults is a harder part now. People, I know a lot of people of my age and little above who say, I used to read as a child, but now I think I like to spend my time on Netflix. So Tashidatta sir. So to adults, I think there is nothing called as a non-reader. We all love stories. So we all love to listen to stories, read stories. But the thing is, some people consider themselves non-readers because they have not found their favorite book yet. So once they get the taste of it, people will start reading. So I think the idea is to, whether it's a child or an adult, make an effort to introduce a favorite book to the person. So that way, that habit will start.
मागीर ह्या तिन्नी बुका विशयी कसं रिसेंटली पब्लिश केलेलं की?
Why? It came out 1 month back. So हें एक कमर्शियल फिक्शन. It is something you can sit and finish it at one sitting. तशी. Although it's thicker than the other two. Hantu there is adventure. So last 2022 ntу I and my husband Karthik we went to a trek. एक San village in Uttarakhand called Ranchatti. Just एक mountain and it अंतु some 60-65 houses. Okay, and they are so cut off from the actual world. Dehradun tangel nearest what do you say marketplace, so 3 hours journey.
Oh, 3 hours journey.
Yes, come down from the mountain, take a bolero or jeep, go there tashi. And we stayed with the family there to research for this book, tangel lifestyle, tangel food, and they were so happy with so limited resources. Everything was precious. Like vegetable, they don't get milk. No one will come to get the milk there. You don't get packets. So milk is a rare commodity there. Paneer, all that. They are very used to eating what they grow.
Okay.
So I wanted to capture that. So half the book, part 1 is that. Part 2 is Mangalore. And there are 2 characters there. A trekking guide, another Dehradun based character. I don't want to give a spoiler. So, and then there are 2 characters in a village called Jogibettu. It's a fictional village around Mangalore. And now these 4 characters come together in the final part.
Okay.
So it's a very adventurous, there's suspense, there's romance, there's a lot of takeaway also.
That's nice.
So that is my latest, and that is, it was fun to write that book.
Yeah, it sounds interesting too. So, Tuggal, future goals, what is it?
I want to keep writing. I want to explore more genres. I have written a science fiction novella that will come out in a couple of months. And my novels are usually to make the readers happy. Short stories are for me. So that goes into the very niche magazines. So those are not like my novels. So I want to keep writing both while balancing my day job. That is a challenge.
Yes. So आमगेले viewers अंतु मस्त जनाक बरो कमोण आसता, but they have not yet started, or the ones who have started have not completed.
Correct.
Or there are readers who have not thought of being a writer at all. So any message for them?
Start as soon as you can. If you keep delaying, it will
Always delay.
Yeah, delay. And I think if you're already a reader, there is a writer in you somewhere. You just have to encourage that person to come out and start writing. And writing is kind of a safe form. It's not like a stage performance, or you can sit in your room, write it, and you can give it to someone to read only if you want to, starting. So it's a very safe kind of passion, profession. So start, there is nothing holding you back, and read every day, read as much as you can, read from different authors. Don't stick to your favorite genre if you're trying to be a writer.
So yeah, pura English antu aschiki?
So I write in English, Miguel, all the books, but Shikandini, since it sold a lot of copies, a Tamil publisher, well-known publisher called Swasyam, I think, they approached Leadstart and bought the Tamil translation rights. And we also have a Kannada translator working on it. We are looking for publishers now for that. So it will hopefully come out in many languages.
Yes, of course. So yeah, books pura amge viewers and jalari, how do they contact you, or where they can buy these books?
So the first book, as I said, pre-pandemic book, it's available in Swapna and all the big bookstores. At least in Bangalore, it's available in all the bookstores. Here, I think Swapna has it, but they're all available on Amazon. Anytime you can place an order and it will reach you. There are ebooks which you can download on your phone and read it, Kindle ebook. And Shikandini is also available in audiobook if you like to listen.
Okay, nice. So, yeah, pura links kai asta tumgila website jo
I have a website, ashwinishenoy.com. It's also a blog. There are 100+ articles I've written there on different topics. There are book reviews, so it's all free to read there. And you can also watch the trailers of these books.
Oh, okay, that's
and I have a Spotify podcast, so if anyone wants to start writing, you can go through them. It's I think we have 9 chapters right now. Every episode talks about the writing process in great detail, from character sketch to plot to the language. Everything is there in that.
So that is ashwinishenai.com.
Yes.
So viewers haंकां सांगता सर या बुक्साच कसले विषय आनी खंय जाय जाल्यार ashwinishenai.com म्हणून तुम्ही ब्राउज केल्यार you get all the details, right?
Yes.
सो येस विशींग यू द बेस्ट आमगेले यूथ ऑफ JSB टिमांतल्यान मस्त बुक्स एक मूवीज जावचार आसता सो ऑल द बेस्ट एंड मे यू राइट मेनी बुक्स एंड शेर स्टोरीज थ्रू इट येस सो मस्त धन्यवाद आमगेलो तुमगे टाइम स्पेंड केलेला सो ऑल द बेस्ट